Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Amazon Prime Video subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your account is properly managed and no further charges occur. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon Prime Video website. Log in with the account credentials linked to your subscription. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page and select Account or Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the subscription or billing section, where you can view details about your current plan, payment method, and renewal date. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Cancel Membership or Cancel Subscription. Click on it to start the cancellation process. Step 5. Amazon Prime Video may ask you to provide a reason for canceling. Select an option or skip if it's optional. Step 6. Follow all on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Note that your subscription may remain active until the end of the current billing period. Step 7. Check your email for a confirmation from Amazon Prime Video verifying that your subscription has been cancelled. Keep this email for reference in case of billing questions. Step 8. Log back into your account to confirm that your subscription status shows as cancelled or inactive, ensuring that the cancellation was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.